has to do with our favorite herbicide, glyphosate.
Hmm.
As you know, of course, we've talked about many times over the years. There have been numerous lawsuits regarding that popular herbicide and its producer, Bayer. A lot of them are at the state level, involving state labeling laws versus federal labeling laws.
Hmm.
The state of North Dakota became the first state to actually have its legal body pass legislation that said, hey, federal labeling laws are enough of a warning. State labeling laws don't need to be over and above that. And we found out this week on May 12th that Governor Brian Kemp of Georgia signed SB 144.
Hmm.
And that bill does the same thing as the North Dakota bill. It actually affirms that EPA regulations and warning labels on pesticides are enough of a warning, and that supersedes any state warnings that would have normally been required in this instance. So I know that several folks in the industry, farmers and agricultural groups, were applauding this move. They're hoping that this will add some clarity to the whole question of what's going on with glyphosate, and maybe hopefully help it when it comes to some of these state level lawsuits that have hurt the brand so badly.
Yeah, I think that was expected that that would go through. I'm curious what states are next and how this. I remember when you were talking about this a few weeks ago, there were a handful of states that were considering similar legislation. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this continues to unfold. Interesting.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, and those other states, I know Missouri in particular, of course, it
Hmm.
makes sense.
Hmm.
That's where Bayer's located here in the States. They have a bill that's, I guess it's made it through one part of their, I think the House has
Hmm.
passed a bill. The Senate's looking at it now. And I believe Iowa was also considering a similar bill. But again, we've got two states now on board. So hopefully more will begin to fall into line. We will see.